What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So about the Samsung Galaxy S23. It will be one of the best Android smartphones that the South Korean giant will introduce in early 2023. As with the current Galaxy S22 line, we will have a latest 3 models, including the Ultra will be the most exciting. We can see that the base of this Samsung Galaxy S23 is not much different from the current Galaxy S22 Ultra. We actually see the flat top and bottom edges, and the curved sides that are reminiscent of the usual design of the latest Galaxy Note line. According to the latest news and leaks, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra runs the risk of being left without the camera innovation. Samsung is not stingy in terms of describing all the advantages of the 200 megapixel ultra high resolution mobile cameras. This was the case with the ISOCELL HP1 sensor a year ago, and also with the ISOCELL HP3 last week. However, for some reason, the Koreans are in no hurry to introduce them into their devices. The Galaxy S22 Ultra was left without a 200 megapixel camera, which could somehow to be attributed to the launch of HP1 shortly before the presentation of the S22 series. However, the same fate could befall the Galaxy S23 Ultra, claims Ice Universe. According to him, the newly minted HP3 sensor will also not fall into the main Samsung camera phone in 2023. The angular design again recalls the lines of the late Galaxy Note. The mobile device can be seen in this video in white, contrasting with the teeny edges of the screen. Note that the screen should be slightly curved on the sides, stretching to show the curve beyond the normal side limit. On the other hand, in the upper part we will still have the front camera, drilling the AMOLED panel and the pen needle. It will have also its own hole for storage and transport. That is, it is quite similar to the current Galaxy S22 Ultra. The highlight on the back is the 200 megapixel main camera thanks to Samsung's new ISOCELL HP3 sensor, a recently announced component. Apparently, the Ultra model will be the first mobile device to release this component. We also have a wide range of optional optical zoom sensors, as well as an ultra wide-angle lens for more creative possibilities. Also, the phone should record video in native 8K video resolution with higher quality. Moreover, a similar story is unfolding with the under-display front camera called UDC, which we did not expect in the Galaxy S22 Ultra after this introduction in the Galaxy Z Fold 3. It will not be in the Galaxy S23 series either, sources in the supply chain says. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus are credited with improved front cameras. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.